Hello guys, let's learn some colors name. Violet color, black color, dark green color, sky blue color, brown color, purple color, red color, orange color, light green color, dark blue color, pink color, yellow color. Today we are trying to learn some alphabets and numbers. A, B, C. 1, 2, 3. Violet color. A for X. A, X, E. X. Light green color. B for bus. B, U, S. Bus. Sky blue color. C for cake. C, A, K, E. Cake. Red color. Number 1. O and E. 1. Orange color. Number 2. T, W, O. 2. Yellow color. Number 3. T, H, R, W. 3. A for X. B for bus. C for cake. 1, 2, 3. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next video. Bye. Hello guys. Let's learn some colors name. Dark blue color, violet color, red color, sky blue color, pink color, yellow color, orange color. Let's try to learn some alphabets. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. A for elevator. B for butterfly. C for cherry. D for duck. E for eggplant. F for food. G for glass. H for hat. I for ice. J for jug. K for kids. L for lychee. M for mouse. N for news. O for ox. P for pencil. Q for question. R for ring. S for shop. T for towel. U for unicorn. V for violin. W for window. X for x-ray. Y for yum. Z for zoo. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next videos. Bye bye. Hello. Let's learn some colors. Yellow color, brown color, sky blue color, dark green color, red color, violet color, black color, orange color, purple color, light green color. Let's learn some fruits. Strawberry, banana, apple, grapes, watermelon, cherry. Red color. Strawberry. Strawberry is red. Light green color. Yellow color. Banana. Banana is yellow. Brown color. Red color. Apple. Apple is red. Brown color. Dark green color. Violet color. Grapes. Dark green color. Light green color. Red color. Watermelon. Watermelon is red. Light green color. Dark green color. Red color. Cherry. Cherry is red. Light green color. Brown color. Dark green color. Strawberry. Strawberry is red. Banana. Banana is yellow. Apple. Apple is red. Grapes. Grapes is violet color. Watermelon. Watermelon is red color. Cherry. Cherry is red color. Strawberry, banana, apple, grapes, watermelon, cherry. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next videos. Bye bye.